Welcome back to the channel Spin and Speed. Today we've got something special for you. Yamaha's retro-inspired yet modern marvel, the Yamaha XSR155. This bike combines classic aesthetics with advanced technology, and we're here to break it down for you. Let's dive right in. The Yamaha XSR155 is a head-turner with its neo-retro design. It beautifully blends timeless vintage elements like the round LED headlamp and teardrop-shaped fuel tank with modern finishes such as premium aluminum components and a minimalist digital instrument cluster. The dual-tone color schemes and brushed metal details give it a distinct premium feel, making it perfect for riders who want style with substance. Under the hood, the XSR155 is powered by a liquid-cooled 155 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine equipped with Variable Valve Actuation, VVA. It delivers smooth, responsive power, producing around 19 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, it provides a seamless riding experience whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling winding roads. The lightweight frame enhances maneuverability, making it an absolute delight for riders of all skill levels. When it comes to safety, Yamaha has equipped the XSR155 with disc brakes on both ends, ensuring reliable stopping power. The bike also features a well-tuned suspension system, USD forks up front, and a monoshock at the rear for excellent stability and control. The 17-inch tires provide good grip on various surfaces, and the high ground clearance ensures smooth rides even on rough patches. What sets the XSR155 apart from its competition is its retro-modern aesthetic, combined with cutting-edge technology like VVA, the lightweight Deltabox frame, and the slipper clutch. Few bikes in this segment offer such a balanced mix of performance, style, and practicality. It's versatile enough for daily commutes and weekend adventures, appealing to riders who value functionality and flair. The Yamaha XSR155 comes at an approximate price of insert updated price based on your region, which places it competitively in its segment. Considering its features and the premium feel it offers, the price tag is well justified. To wrap it up, the Yamaha XSR155 is an exceptional blend of vintage charm and modern-day performance. Whether you're a new rider or an experienced enthusiast, this bike offers something truly unique. So if you're looking for a head-turner that doesn't compromise on performance, safety, or practicality, the XSR155 might just be the perfect ride for you. Thanks for tuning in to Spin and Speed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest bikes and cars. Until next time, ride safe and keep the wheels spinning.